Hey queens, today I'm going to show you guys how to style your passion twist. Let's get into the video. Okay, first of course we have our middle part. I did my own passion twist, so I made sure to put my middle part deep because that's how I like it. I did not make a side part, and these are big passion twists, so it wouldn't even really look cute with the top part for me. But yeah, so wear it down in your side part or your middle part. It's always a look. So next, you can always do a half up, half down. But I do like to keep two of them here. So it can look cute. Keep one down here. I like to make sure that it is mirrored so everything looks even. So I just half up, half down. It's a look. And I really like it. One of those like gold strings that wraps around it. So you can kind of get coming to American vibes. Next, okay, you always wrap it up. But yeah, you might need some bobby pins to make sure that it's all put together. But yeah, cute. This concludes the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what else you do want to see on my channel. I will be posting every week and looking for new content. If you like this video, let me know exactly what you liked, and I'll see y'all next week.